BitPay card app. The pros, the cons. The BitPay card app turns your cryptocurrency into everyday spending power. Most people get this wrong by thinking crypto cards are gimmicks. The surprising truth is that the BitPay card makes paying with crypto as easy as using a regular debit card. Pros include seamless conversion of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins into fiat for spending. Users can manage multiple wallets, track transactions, and load funds instantly through the app. Security is strong, with two-factor authentication and instant card freezing in case of loss. The card works globally wherever Visa is accepted, and users earn rewards on crypto spending. Cons include conversion fees and occasional network delays during high-traffic periods. The card is also limited to users in certain countries, and crypto volatility can affect purchasing power if not monitored carefully. Custodial control means users don't hold private keys directly for the funds loaded on the card. In conclusion, the BitPay card app is perfect for crypto holders who want practical, everyday use of their digital assets. Its convenience, security, and global acceptance make it an excellent tool for bridging the gap between crypto and daily spending.